Good morning, friends. Welcome to our channel TDS News. I'm here with the latest news updates for you all. So let's start without wasting any time. Thousands of vegetable growers will get big relief when the policy is implemented. Minimum of vegetables also in Jharkhand. Kerala government has fixed a minimum support price MSP of 21 foods and drink items. These include 16 types of vegetables. Kerala is the first state to decide the MSP of vegetables. It will be implemented in the entire state from November 1. Due to the fixation of MSP of vegetables in Kerala, farmers of many other states have also intensified its demand. In Jharkhand too, various political parties had promised to fix the MSP of vegetables during the election announcement. The government of Jharkhand has started the initiative on this. The Agriculture Department is forming a committee which will study it. Hemant government upset due to huge economic crisis in Jharkhand. Hope of help from Modi government. In the first half of the current financial year, the state government has received a revenue of 22,822.50 crores from all its sources. This is just 27.3% of the government's annual target. That is, the state government is facing a high economic troubles. In such a situation, the problem of the government have increased due to the central government deducting the DVC dues and central undertakings not paying the state government dues. Jharkhand Agriculture Minister Badal Patralekh did CT scan after visiting Asansol. Jharkhand Minister of Agriculture, Animal Husbandry and Corporation Badal Patralekh, who got injured in a road accident 2 days ago, got his CT scan done on Saturday in Asansol district of West Bengal. The doctor gave him the report in a while. After taking the report from the doctor, Mr. Patel went back to Jharkhand. More than 40 companies offer jobs to 650 students, 70% of ISM students not joining. The year 2020 IIT did not go well for ISM because of COVID-19. This year has proved to be harmful in terms of campus placement. During the academic year 2019-20, more than 650 students of the institute had campus placement in more than 100 companies. But even after 5 months, after the end of the session, only 30% of these students have joined the companies. The remaining companies have postponed joining. Education Minister Jagannath Mehta's preparation for lungs transplant. Preparation for the lungs transplant of State Education Minister Jagannath Mehta, admitted to the Department of Pulmonology and Chest of Mahatma Gandhi Medical College and Research Institute, Chennai, has been started. For this, registration has been done in Chennai. Education Minister is being searched for dead person's lung for a lung transplant. Sedition case on BJP State President Deepak Prakash. Against state BJP President comes Rajya Sabha MP Deepak Prakash. Dumka District President of Congress Shyamal Kishore Singh has filed an FIR for treason. The file logged at Dumka Nagar Police Station states that the BJP state president is plotting against a democratically elected government and is threatening to kill democracy. A case has been registered against him under Section 504, 506, 120B and 124A. 200 people of this village of Jharkhand are blamed for drinking polluted water from dumping yard. There is a village in Ramgarh district of Jharkhand where people have to quench their thirst by digging a dumping yard. Yes, people of Dhatwatan village under Mayal Panchayat of Chitarpur block area of the district are still fighting for drinking water. These people quench their thirst with the water of the source of the dumping yard of CCL Rajrappa. Jharkhand Finance Minister Rameshwar Rao, who reached the Medica to meet the injured soldiers in the Naxalite encounter. Jharkhand Finance Minister and State Congress Committee President Dr. Rameshwar Rao arrived at Medica Hospital on Saturday. In Lohardaga district, the injured met an encounter with the Naxalites and met the injured soldiers. Food Supplies cum Finance Minister said that the government is with the soldiers at every step. In Jharkhand, the land mafia loses common people in the name of land. the landowner by someone else, the death of someone else, and someone else interference. This is the condition in Dhanbad. In the name of land, the game involves the officials of the land mafia and revenue registration department. The game is being executed by changing the account and plot number of government, tribal and CNT land overnight. In this, ordinarily people are being wasted who are buying land by investing lakhs of rupees. Vacancies in rural agriculture department. This is the last. If you are looking for a government job, then this news is especially for you. Yes, Madhya Pradesh Agriculture Department has brought out vacancies. The Madhya Pradesh Professional Examination Board has worked for the recruitment of the vacancies in the post of agriculture development officers post vacancy in the department of farmers welfare and development of the state. Talking about the application, the official and the detailed notification of vacancies will be issued on 5th November. According to the short notification, recruitment for 863 posts of agriculture extension officers have been removed. For this, candidates will be able to apply online from November 10, 2020. School admission. Start getting an admission form in schools. Admission forms for nursery, KG, prep are started in various schools of the capital. Due to corona infection, online administration facility is available in many private schools. Admission for costs from 500 to 2500 rupees. Online forms for KG1 and KG2 will be available from 27th October to 2 November at St. Thomas School. The cost of the form is 1000 rupees. Large investment in UP. More than 1.25 lakh people will get employed. The way of investment of 45,000 crores have been opened in Uttar Pradesh. Due to coronavirus, investment, business and employment have been affected. But on the basis of this investment in Uttar Pradesh, preparations are being made to provide employment to 1,35,362 people. Among the companies from which investment is coming in UP, many important countries like Japan, America, England, Germany, Canada, South Korea are included. Industrial Department Commissioner Alok Tandon and the Chief Secretary of the Department Alok Kumar gave information in which he told that about 426 acres of land has been allotted, in which an investment of about rupees 6,700 crores is to be made. Every year there is a need of 6,000 rupees. Then get this work done within the next 5 months. If you have opened an account to get financial assistance of rupees 6,000 annually under the PM Minister Kishan Samman Nidhi Yojana, then to continue this benefit further, you need to continue within the next 5 months. Have to do an important job. That important work is that you will have to get your Aadhaar card verified and link your account with Aadhaar. If you did not do this work, then you will not get the benefit of this government scheme. Gym and fitness centers to open after 8 months from today. These guidelines will have to be followed. Due to COVID-19, all the gyms and fitness centers in the capital are closed from March 20. Now the state government has got permission to open these centers from November 1. The gym operators have been following the guidelines from getting sanitized to rearranging all the equipments. Someone has been sanitizing the closed gym for 7 months. Then someone is preparing to make a circle for social distancing. Gym operators say that the gym will be reopened as per the guidelines issued by the state government. Preparations for this are underway. All the equipments from sanitization to the rearrangement is being rearranged. More benefits available in BSNL's long validity plan. BSNL prepaid with its 1,999 rupees to complete long-term plans of Reliance Jio, Airtel and Vodafone Idea. The plan has been revised. Now 1,275 GB of data is being given in this plan. This plan of BSNL now comes with a validity of 425 days instead of 365. In this plan, the company is offering a total of 1275 GB 3G data per 3G daily. This plan will come with daily 100 free SMS, provides 250 minutes for calling. Free subscription of Eros Now is available as an additional benefit of 2 months in the plan. COVID-19 updates. Jharkhand reports 474 new COVID-19 cases and 367 recoveries today. Total number of cases are now at 1,01,761, including 95,575 recoveries, 884 deaths and 5,302 active cases. Weather updates. According to the data from the Indian Meteorology Department, the minimum temperature in October this year has reached 17.2 degrees Celsius. Earlier in October 1962, the average minimum temperature was 16.9 degrees Celsius. Now you can guess yourself that the cold broke the record in October 2020. And in Ranchi, temperature will almost be 18 degrees Celsius to 29 degrees Celsius and mostly sunny. Fuel prices. Petrol up to rupees 80.86 with a decrease of 0.26 and diesel up to rupees 74.74 with a decrease of 0.31. Special about today. Today, 1st November is celebrated as Karnataka Utsava every year. This was the day in 1956 when all the Kannada language speaking region of South India were merged to form the state of Karnataka. On 1954, India takes over administration of 4 French Indian settlements. On 1956, Indian state of Madhya Pradesh is formed. That's all for today's news. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon, like, comment and share.